the Oberoi New Delhi discusses its opening post-renovations.
The number of rooms, the inventory has come down from erstwhile 283 keys to 220. What we have tried to do as a differentiator is to bring in all the cuisine of the various provinces of China. Similarly, we are bringing to life a new rooftop bar. 360 is back, and we have brought back an Indian restaurant called Omya.
ICPB to hold roadshows in Europe.
International roadshows, we are going in for 3 cities, Geneva, Paris and Brussels. The reason we are going into these 3 cities are most of the international organizations have headquarters in these 3 cities. It is in 12th, 13th and 14th of June this year.
Opening new possibilities for Air India's disinvestment, Cabinet approves 49% FDI in Air India. U&I Holidays organizes a Bali Road show.
It is a very strong brand. We will continue to expand on information about Bali because there is so much to offer.
We have handled 22,000 Indian passengers in 2017, out of which if I put it percentage-wise, 71% FIT. So 2018 is definitely a year where we are looking out to promote MICE.
We are doing is we are increasing the number of nights in Bali by also looking at the other islands like Gili Islands and Lombok.